And this is the BLU TECH AR3 XLT. And not only does this filter our water, but it softens our water as well. This will help keep the gunk from the inside of our plumbing inside our RV as well, and probably make it easier to clean like the inside of the shower door so we don't have a bunch of buildup or scaling stuff all over the place. As Daniel's unboxing, because we have a semi
truck
water softener. No, not a semi truck, a semi water softener already, but it's just basic water filter, right, Daniel? Yeah.
A two-stage water filter.
Two-stage water filter. This actually will not only filter the water, but it'll soften it as well. Not sure if any of you have well water, but if you have well water, one thing you definitely would want to have as well is a water softener, because the water can be very hard and you never know from one part to the next what kind of water you're getting.
Right.
This is the fun part, trying to piece it all together and figure out how it goes together.
Yeah. I think it goes.
So does it stay in the case?
Well, I've seen some people do that.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
Got a lot of parts there.
Hose.
Very neatly packaged in some cool boxes.
Yeah. Splitter. Nice.
So you got hoses, splitters, elbow.
Pressure regulator.
Oh, the pressure regulator. Okay. That's very important. Because you never know the kind of pressure that some of these
really don't.
parks have, and it could be super high and it would blow all your fittings out, and you can have major water leaks in your RV, camper, travel trailer, fifth wheel.
Jeez.
I think, in fact, I think that Daniel actually did a short video on the pressure regulator in the past. So if you go back in one of our videos, you'll see that. You gonna hook this up tonight? All right. Well, while Daniel's doing the unboxing, we'll just circle back when we get around to the back. How about that?
My camera girl don't bother me. Camera.
He just called me a camera girl. All right, so one thing here it tells us to do is to flush our tank, even though it already comes preloaded with salt in it and it's already generated. They tell you to flush it for like, I think 30 seconds maybe. Anyway, so Daniel's hooking it up and is gonna flush her out. So how long do you have to let that flush out?
About 6 minutes, it says.
6 minutes? All right, so we're gonna let it flush out for about 6 minutes. Even though, like I said, they said it already comes, well, you don't have to regenerate it because it's already set up, already comes with salt and all in it. So we just got to let this run for about 6 minutes just to, I guess, flush through it. Got the rest of the package coming. All right, 6 to 8 minutes later, back flushing. Well, is that back flushing? Or is that really just flushing?
Whatever they called it. What do they call it? No, it's not back flushing, is it?
Place the water softener upright, flush the water softener 4 to 6 minutes. Okay, so we're just flushing the water softener. So 4 to 6 minutes later, water softener flushed, ready to connect her up. Okay, so as you can see right here is our filter system, and what we have to the right there, our filter water softener system, is going to, of course, replace the one on the left. All right, tell us what you got.
For right now, I'm going to use this little white hose because the only reason is this connected it. Most of your spigots ain't on the ground like that. So since I've got it hooked up, I figure I'll just leave it like that for right now. But we're coming out. Quick disconnect into our pressure regulator, through our filters, out our filters, into the water softener, from the softener into the motorhome.
Into the motorhome. There we go.
We got about 40 pounds of pressure. 40 is actually about as high as I ever let it go.
Well, it looks like it's doing the job.
Don't see no leaks,
That's
no runs,
right.
no errors.
Woohoo! And we're not advocates or anything for BLU.
Yeah, they ain't giving us nothing.
For BLU, go BLU TECH. We actually paid for this.
And
What was it, about
$1,200.
$1,200?
But you know, we researched and trying to find the one with the best ratings and reviews from RVers, and this was the highest rated thing that we could find. You know, the for you know, quality and satisfaction. So you buy cheap, you buy twice. You know, that other little system had worked pretty good for us. Don't get me wrong, is, you know, we wanted a softener, and we wanted to, you know, I wanted to go to a 3-stage filtering system. So
BLU TECH, you know, was the winner.
Yeah, because we were starting to see some buildup in our on some of our fittings, you know, calcium deposits and such, and
yeah, we didn't want that inside.
Yeah, we don't want to get that inside. We want to keep everything outside as much as possible. So there we go.
All right, there we go. Woohoo! Great job.
Let me put up the tools.